ALGORAND value equivalent to 4.1735 rands a coin. The present cost range, 4.0465, 4.1899. The earlier day close, 4.0861. The change was plus 0.0874. Plus 2.14%. Opposite rates, ZAR to algo. ALGORAND cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. ALGORAND cost forecast on Monday, WAC 6, cost 3.92 rands, high 4.19, low 3.65. ALGORAND estimate on Tuesday, WAC 7, cost 3.82 rands, high 4.09, low 3.55. ALGORAND cost forecast on Wednesday, WAC 8, cost 3.63 rands, high 3.88, low 3.38. ALGORAND estimate on Thursday, WAC 9, cost 3.71 rands, high 3.97, low 3.45. ALGORAND cost forecast on Friday, WAC 10, cost 3.57 rands, high 3.82, low 3.32. In multi-week ALGORAND conjecture on Monday, WAC 13, cost 3.59 rands, high 3.84, low 3.34. ALGORAND cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 14, cost 3.67 rands, high 3.93, low 3.41. ALGORAND conjecture on Wednesday, WAC 15, cost 3.57 rands, high 3.82, low 3.32. ALGORAND cost expectation on Thursday, WAC 16, cost 3.45 rands, high 3.69, low 3.21. ALGORAND conjecture on Friday, WAC 17, cost 3.42 rands, high 3.66, low 3.18. In about 14 days ALGORAND cost expectation on Monday, WAC 20, cost 3.31 rands, high 3.54, low 3.08. ALGORAND conjecture on Tuesday, WAC 21, cost 3.24 rands, high 3.47, low 3.01. ALGORAND cost expectation on Wednesday, WAC 22, cost 3.38 rands, high 3.62, low 3.14. ALGORAND conjecture on Thursday, WAC 23, cost 3.39 rands, high 3.63, low 3.15. ALGORAND cost expectation on Friday, WAC 24, cost 3.38 rands, high 3.62, low 3.14. In 3 weeks ALGORAND conjecture on Monday, WAC 27, cost 3.59 rands, high 3.84, low 3.34. ALGORAND cost expectation on Tuesday, WAC 28, cost 3.45 rands, high 3.69, low 3.21. ALGORAND conjecture on Wednesday, WAC 29, cost 3.77 rands, high 4.03, low 3.51. ALGORAND cost expectation on Thursday, WAC 30, cost 3.87 rands, high 4.14, low 3.60. ALGORAND conjecture on Friday, WAC 31, cost 3.87 rands, high 4.14, low 3.60. In about a month ALGORAND cost expectation on Monday, April 3, cost 3.85 rands, high 4.12, low 3.58. ALGORAND conjecture on Tuesday, April 4, cost 3.91 rands, high 4.18, low 3.64. ALGORAND value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. ALGORAND cost expectation for WAC 2023. At the outset cost at 4.46 rands, excessive cost 4.62, while low cost 3.01. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.99. ALGORAND cost figure toward the month's end 3.87. Change for spring 13.2%. ALGORAND figure for April 2023. Initially cost at 3.87 rands. Excessive cost 4.18. While low cost 3.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.72. ALGORAND cost figure toward the month's end 3.67. Change for April 5.2%. ALGORAND cost expectation for May 2023. In the first place cost at 3.67 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.18. While low cost 3.64. The found the middle value of cost 3.85. ALGORAND cost gauge toward the month's end 3.91. Change for May 6.5%. ALGORAND estimate for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 3.91 rands. Exorbitant cost 4.86. while low cost 3.91. The found the middle value of cost 4.31. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 4.54. Change for June 16.1%. Algorand cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 4.54 rands, exorbitant cost 4.54, while low cost 3.54. The found the middle value of cost 4.11. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.81. Change for July 16.1%. Algorand estimate for August 2023. To start with cost at 3.81 rands, exorbitant cost 3.81, while low cost 2.98. The found the middle value of cost 3.45. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.20. Change for August 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for September 2023. To start with cost at 3.20 rands, exorbitant cost 3.51, while low cost 3.05. The found the middle value of cost 3.26. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.28. Change for September 2.5%. Algorand estimate for October 2023. To start with cost at 3.28 rands, exorbitant cost 4.07, while low cost 3.28. The found the middle value of cost 3.61. Algorand cost estimate toward the month's end 3.80. Change for October 15.9%. Algorand cost expectation for November 2023. At the outset cost at 3.80 rands, excessive cost 3.80, while low cost 3.12. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.52. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.36. Change for November 11.6%. Algorand conjecture for December 2023. At the outset cost at 3.36 rands, excessive cost 3.92, while low cost 3.36. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.58. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.66. Change for December 8.9%. Algorand cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at 3.66 rands, excessive cost 3.66, while low cost 2.86. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.31. Algorand cost conjecture toward the month's end 3.07. Change for January 16.1%. Algorand conjecture for February 2024. At the outset cost at 3.07 rands, excessive cost 3.07, while low cost 2.40. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.78. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.58. Change for February 16.0%. Algorand cost expectation for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 2.58 rands, excessive cost 2.58. While low cost 2.02. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.34. Algorand cost figure toward the month's end 2.17. Change for spring 15.9%. ZAR to algo swapping scale equivalent to 0.2.